going on, man? What's your name and what all's in here?
I'm Big V with No Cars Allowed. This is a Blackbird. I got 8 15s for mids. I got 16 horns. I got 2 15 Orion XTRs. I got a 4K Orion XTR amp. I got a 4K PRV amp. I got a 400 watt Tampino amp. I got a 400 watt Stetson amp. I got a 1200 watt PRV amp. I got over four batteries. I got a Aftermarket Alternator.
All right. Awesome. And this is what did you go from to? What was the system before this?
I had 812s.
812s, and then you went from 812s to 215s.
2 Orion XTR Pros.
All right. Yep. Sure, man. Like to hear it. Yeah.
I ain't had them all morning.
Nice and cool then. Nice little amp rack you got back here too.
Yeah, my buddy did it for me.
Okay.
I told you before. One thing I knew is to turn the radio.
That's all right. Nothing wrong with that.
I learned one day.
Yep.
I upgraded my crossover too. Got DSP now.
Cleaner.
Let me get you some music here. I seen y'all walking. I said, I remember him. I used to follow you on YouTube, man.
Awesome. Whew. Does it have a port? Or is it sealed?
Yeah, it's ported.
It is? Where's the port at? On the side?
It's on the back side, but by me got the stone wall.
Yeah.
That's why it's
okay, so it's like
When
barely.
they put it in, it was so heavy.
It's
They didn't want to turn it. They didn't want to take it back out and turn it around.
Okay.
So they just left it like that.
Okay.
And
So it's partially blocking the port.
Yeah.
Then.
I
Okay.
had to seal it back off.
Okay. So your trunk don't open? The back don't open?
Yeah, open, but you know it's full of speakers.
Yeah. Okay.
You want me to open it?
I don't know. Don't worry about it. I got it in the other video. I can add to it.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna open it up now.
Okay. Yeah, man. I'll go check it out while you do that then.
Okay.
Thanks for the demo, man.
Yep.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna go check out your back.
Brandy, open that back.
Oh, it is hot. It is hot. It's nice to meet you. You
Okay,
better
bro.
you better play it?
Yeah, I'm gonna play it for you.
All right. Trying to do too loud, some people might be screaming.
And I probably should have told you I heard this way. I know. And I probably shouldn't want this so bad. It's weighing on me. Don't wanna wake up in the morning. Can't let him do what we did in this bed.
This is JacobViral, ending this video with a thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the video tomorrow.